Panda World.
London Bridge is falling down.
London Bridge is falling down, falling down, falling down. London Bridge is falling down, my fair lady. Build it up with wooden clay, wooden clay, wooden clay. Build it up with wooden clay, my fair lady. Wooden clay will wash away, wash away, wash away. Wooden clay will wash away, my fair lady. Build it up with bricks and mortar, bricks and mortar, bricks and mortar. Build it up with bricks and mortar, my fair lady. Bricks and mortar will not stay, will not stay, will not stay. Bricks and mortar will not stay, my fair lady. Build it up with iron and steel, iron and steel, iron and steel. Build it up with iron and steel, my fair lady. Iron and steel will bend and bow, bend and bow, bend and bow. Iron and steel will bend and bow, my fair lady. Build it up with gold and silver, gold and silver, gold and silver. Build it up with gold and silver, my fair lady. London Bridge is falling down, falling down, falling down. London Bridge is falling down.
The Numbers Song.
Hi everyone! Do you like numbers? Today we're gonna count in tens, all the way to 100.
10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100.
Well done! Now let's say them again. And this time, let's say them together. Are you ready?
10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100.
Awesome, you guys! Now this time, let's try something a little bit tricky. Let's count them backwards. Ready?
100, 90, 80, 70, 60, 50, 40, 30, 20, 10. Joy.
around all day. I looked for the ball here and there, here and there, here and there. I looked for the ball here and there, but found nothing at all. Bingo sat, lonely and sad, lonely and sad, lonely and sad. Bingo sat, lonely and sad, without his favorite toy. Then there was a knock on the door, knock on the door, knock on the door. Then there was a knock on the door, I opened right away. Our neighbor gave us back our ball, back our ball, back our ball. Our neighbor gave us back our ball, it was stuck in his tree. We all then played together with the ball, with the ball, with the ball. We all then played together with the ball, all of us three. Bingo's new friend.